Eso fue lo que me causó.
First payment is 305 pesos per person, the national park, okay? The guys give you the bracelets and pass here, and there the police do the revision in the bags, because now not as possible pass with plastic bottles, glass bottles, alcohol drinks, cigarettes, vapes, drones, speakers, and plastic bags. Nothing is taken, okay? When you pass here, take the electric car and go to the main entrance. And in the main entrance, you need to do the second payment. It's 210 pesos per person ticket admission, the Archaeological site. This only receive pesos. Okay. This is possible pay card or pesos. Okay. So in this case, when you have it, the tickets, you pass here, and in 45 minutes finish the experience by yourself, because the archaeological site is small. But if you like stay more time, don't worry, take your time. Swimming today? When you walk around?
Yeah.
Excellent. Asking you because in the greens you see two different beach. But now it's in protection because it's the turtle season. So not as possible down there and swimming there.
Oh, turtles, nice.
The recommendation, if you like, go to the beach. You need exit to the archaeological site and down to the beach. And in the beach, if you like swimming, they have the option for the swimming. It's beautiful. National Geographic got it in the 4 more beautiful beach in the world, so it's nice.
Excellent.
There now, the government permit you the second experience. This is new. Maybe you like it, maybe you don't. I don't know, you decide because now it's your vacation. But in this case, the first option, the option basic, only ticket admission, the archaeological site, is 515 pesos. 305 plus 210, this is the price per person, okay? The second experience, the experience complete, include ticket submission to the archaeological site, skip lines, pass directly and VIP. And when you're finished, exit on the site, down to the beach, and end the beach every 15 minutes, leaving boats. And today also see Tulum from the sea. Like I see pirates people, Spanish people, and there you have the guide and a boat. And the guide explain you about the function of the castles from the sea.
Oh.
When finished also, stop in the second more largest coral reef in the world. And there, the boat stop and you'll see the big turtles, baby turtles, and the habitat natural, so it's nice.
Okay.
No need swimming. If you like, have the option, but no need swimming. The boat have shade, and there you'll see all life. The water is shadowless, 2 meters, 1.5 meters sometimes, so in this case it's beautiful because it's crystal and clear. And when you're finished, come back to the beach. This experience complete is for 1,200 pesos per person, and this price include ticket admission to the archaeological site and also the experience by boat. So it's the experience complete. The last option is the option cultural. This is with the guide. In this case, if you like, take the tour guide here. The price is in groups. For example, your group, you are 4 people. For 4 people, the total payment is 4,200 pesos. But with this, you have include the 515 per person. So you don't need to payments extra. You pay per person 1,050 pesos. And with this, have include tickets VIP to the archaeological site and also 45 minutes, 1 hour, the private guide only for you. No more people with you. When finished, exit on the site, and if you like go to the beach, but not include the experience by boat. There's only the tour guide. So have these 3 different choice for that do today, guys. The question is, which option
If
do you
we
like
do
to
2 or 3, where do you pay for that?
here?
Okay. And but if it's just the basic, then we
Just
would
the
pay
basic, you
here.
need pay directly there. Exactly, you need to do the lines and pay directly.
Okay.
There. If you like do the complete, you pay here because the guy coming now for you and pass directly and VIP.
Got it. And same
Okay.
for number 2, we would pay
Yes,
that here.
exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
So we'll talk. We'll
Okay.
talk
Yes,
and come back.
you're
Thank you. Can I borrow some?
doing back.
Okay.
You do what you need to do.